Welcome back to the Sumo Digital Academy's Apprentice vlog series. So at this point in the programme, the teams were ready to start building their own game engine that will form the basis of the development work they will do from now on. In the meantime, they got to go to SDC and see some of the amazing professional work that goes on from our teams there.
Hello, this has been the first week of making a game engine. So it's been mostly about getting the first functions in, so maths functions and things that other parts of the game engine and the game that we make will rely on.
It was a bit scary at first, a little bit daunting. I started with my first task, which was to port some maths libraries, and then my second task was slightly more involved. I needed to write more of my own code for it, and that was to do with creating a sort of uniform asset format for data in our game, and then we moved on to scary stuff. So we started looking at DirectX, and we are going to be using DX11.
DirectX is big. This integration of them all is going to be interesting. They might all work individually, but when we join them all together, I am expecting it to be quite dysfunctional. That's the wonderful thing about code. No matter how broken it is, there's always a way to fix it. You'll feel a lot of fulfillment, should we say, when we can actually have a picture on the screen.
And let me tell you, it is true that one needs hundreds and hundreds of lines of code to come together in order to see that first triangle. I'm really hoping we get to see it next week.
On Friday, about 10 minutes before I left, we got our first triangle on screen.
Not just a triangle, but a multitude of triangles forming the most beautiful cube.
We have 3D models in our game engine.
Yeah, that was really rewarding to see. I was there the first time it happened, and I have to say I'm a changed person. I am overreacting a bit, but it was so rewarding after working sort of in the dark.
We all worked together to get there in the end.
So yeah, the sky's the limit now. This is all great, but the work isn't over. Now what we want to do is draw actual sprites on the screen and not just some random geometry. So yeah, exciting stuff is happening. Again, a lot of collaboration, a lot of tasks that are going to finally come together and give us something really cool. One last thing, matrices are very important. Learn your math and eat your vegetables.